Hello and welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are opposites, okay? Something that's totally opposite. So if I say good, you say bad. If I say big, you say small. If I say fat, you say thin. If I say high, you say low. So opposites. So welcome to opposites or antonyms. Now, this girl is carrying a full bucket of water, and that boy is carrying an empty bucket of water, right? Now, this path is easy to climb because it's not steep, but this path is difficult. Easy, difficult. Easy, difficult to climb because it's so steep. Now, the boy throws the ball and the girl catches the ball. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Now, the daddy is giving a present to the boy, to his son, and the son is running to take the present. Give, take. Give, take. Mommy is looking at the top shelf, and the girl is looking into this bottom shelf. Top, bottom, top, bottom. A is the first letter of the alphabet and Z is the last letter of the alphabet. A, Z, A, Z. The turtle is very, very slow, but the hare is really fast. Slow, fast, slow, fast. This boy is diving in the deep end of the pool, and he is scuba diving, and he can see all the fish and everything. But this boy, he's standing on the shallow part, which is not very deep, and he's watching the boy go deep down. Shallow, deep, shallow, deep. Wow, that ice cream is sweet, but the medicine is bitter. So she's enjoying her sweet ice cream. He's not enjoying his bitter medicine. Sweet, bitter, sweet, bitter. This boy is wearing loose clothes. In summer, you wear loose clothes. But this girl is wearing fit clothes. Loose, fit, loose, fit. Now, here, there are only a few flowers, but over here there are more flowers. So more, few, more, few. Now he's sitting on a soft, comfortable sofa, but she is sitting on a hard rock. Soft, hard, soft, hard. It's so dark in the night, so we need to turn on the light, and then it's bright. Dark, light, dark, light. Before you go out to meet your friends, you dress up. So first, before, and after that. And after you dress up, you wait for your friends to come and play with you. Before, after, before, after. This man is rich, so he is giving and helping the poor man. Rich, poor, rich, poor. Now the bus has come. Let's board the bus. Let's get on the bus. And now we've reached our bus stop. So let's alight from the bus. Let's go down, get down from the bus. Board, alight, board, alight. This man is good. He takes time out to feed the birds, But that man is naughty. He's catching the birds and putting them in cages. Maybe he's going to sell them in the market. Lose, lose, win. Lose, win. If you lose, don't worry. Try again. Next time you will win if you practice hard enough. Stop at the red light and you go at the green. Stop, says the red light. Go, says the green. Cold and hot. Oh my goodness. The boy is enjoying a cold iced drink, but she's enjoying her hot coffee or hot tea or hot milk. Sink. If I put something heavy, it will sink down into the bottom of the dish. But if I put a floating duck, it'll float on the top. So sink, float, sink, float. This girl is healthy. She's not sick. This boy is sick. So he's using a thermometer to measure to his temperature, right? So to see if he's got a fever. Sick, healthy, healthy, sick. The lion is a wild animal. You can't go and say, hello lion, how are you? But the kitten is tame. You can play with the kitten. He won't harm you. Wild, tame. Wild, tame. They're waiting to start the race. Start, and they are finishing the race. Start, finish. Start, finish. This man is asleep at his desk, but the other man is awake and doing a lot of work. One is really tired. Asleep, awake. Asleep, awake. Thank you for watching Antonyms or Opposites. See you next time. Bye.